Meaning of fraudulent.
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 Fraudulent. Fraudulent refers to something that involves deception or cheating in order to gain an unfair advantage or actual benefits. For instance, fraudulent activities may include false representation, alteration of documents, or misuse of confidential information in order to falsify data, steal money, or assets. The consequences of fraud can be severe, including legal action and imprisonment, as well as damage to reputation and financial losses for businesses and individuals involved. Therefore, it is important to identify and prevent fraudulent activities through regular monitoring, audits, and training programs for employees and stakeholders.